Hello there, my name is Cheyenne Quinn, a Unity College student. I would like to discuss about combating opioid abuse in Indian country, but first let me tell you about what I learned from Operation ASHA. Operation ASHA has taught me that there are many problems across the globe, not just the surrounding area in which I reside. ASHA's approach with tuberculosis is to help eradicate it by focusing on measurements and low costs in India, before they became a global organization, in which the extreme poor are most affected by tuberculosis in India. That has caused India to have a pandemic. It is very disheartening to know that there are over 13.5 million diagnosed cases in the world and 4.5 million deaths from tuberculosis every year, in which a person dies every 20 seconds from this disease. ASHA has also looked into homes and schools where a family member has tuberculosis. They are removed from their homes. And as children who are attending school, they are removed as family members as well as being removed from school, and which causes them to work at younger ages to help support their families. Tuberculosis is contagious, that it affects not only themselves but the people around them. It's like tuberculosis lives just like the opioid abuse in Indian country. Maybe not the same death toll as tuberculosis, but the abuse of opioids affects family as well as affects jobs and just the community in general. I want to improve the removal of opioid abuse on reservations by bringing an understanding of addiction to them and help prevent them further abuse of opioids. To educate and raise public awareness of opioid abuse and reduce stigma. To monitor, analyze, and communicate. To help support providers, health systems, and payers and employers. Work together with public safety and community organizations. Big pharmaceuticals are one of the key problems to opioid abuse. Something that is supposed to help treat people is also one of the biggest downfalls and the most addictive. There are so many programs and treatments available to a person. It's just that spreading the awareness and that there is help for the addiction to opioids. AI's main focus is on core strengths, the positive side to an ideal or organization instead of the negative side effect to problems with the organization. I want to be able to implement AI in the future ideals for wildlife conservation, to improve ways where people are being educated on the positive side of not overpoaching of wildlife, polluting oceans or water sources, and overharvesting of the plant life.